Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can add locations on Snapchat story. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright guys, so first of all, open up your notification panel and make sure your location or GPS feature is always on along with the internet. And then just open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure your Snapchat app is updated to its latest version available. And now just click a snap and swipe right on the picture. At first the filters will be applied, but after a few them the location will be applied in different styles. You can also add the location from your stickers feature. Just tap on the location icon inside stickers and then select your location and then just add it. And this is basically how you can add locations on Snapchat story. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.